Alright, so let me go ahead and draw a picture. An observer in the top of a lighthouse. So let's draw a lighthouse. So maybe somewhere up here. An observer in the top of the lighthouse determines that the angle of depression are 3.5 degrees and 5.75 degrees. So let's draw some boats out here. It's our water. Here's my boat. And this is our line of sight. Remember now, angle of depression is looking down. So this one is 3.5 degrees. And then a second boat. Let's draw the boat a little bit closer. That one is 5.75 degrees. If the observer is 125 feet, 125 feet above the sea level, find the distance between the two boats. So they want to know the distance between these two boats here. Alright, a couple ways to do this problem. I'm going to show you guys one way, and then I'll show you the way that I was solving them yesterday. So here's an alternative way. Is that when I separate my triangles, one of my triangles is going to be 5.75 degrees, right angle. I know that's 125 feet. I'm going to call this one X. So that's my pink triangle there. You see it? Pink triangle. Okay? And then the second triangle is this green one here. So make this one a little bigger. Press here that I can use attentive precision. And I call this length Y. And then I know this is 125 feet and 3.5 degrees. And then at the very end, the distance between the boats is equal to X minus Y. So this is an alternative way that you can solve the problem. But I'm going to show you guys what I did from yesterday. So on mine, my pink one, it's the same. X, 125, and 5.75 degrees. So basically what I'm saying is this length here is X, and then just this distance here, in blue, I'm calling Y. So the difference in my problem is I'm saying that this length here is X, and that remaining part here is called Y. So I call that X plus Y. Let me finish the problem, and then you can pick which method would work for you. So over here, in pink, I'm just solving for X. I have tangent of X, tangent of 5.75 degrees equals our opposite over our adjacent. Put it over 1. Cross multiply. I get x tan 5.75 degrees equals 125. Divide both sides by tan 5.75. And there I have my calculator ready equation. Put it into my calculator. Make sure I'm on degree mode. 125 divided by tan 575. 1,241.38. Raise your hand if you got that. So I can use either of these values for x. Let's go ahead and solve for this triangle. So I call this one x plus y. My length over here is 125, and I have a 3.5 degrees. So I have tan of 3.5 degrees equals opposite, which is 125 over x plus y. And then I'm going to cross multiply. Put over 1, cross multiply. We get 125 equals tangent of 3.5 degrees times x plus y. Partner B, tell partner A, what was the mistake I made yesterday right here? What was the mistake I made yesterday? We were all paying attention yesterday. Class, what do I need to do here? I could divide both sides by tangent 3.5 and then subtract subtract to solve for x or y. I could do that because I'm trying to find just y. We could do that. You guys want to try that way? I wanted to show you guys what we did yesterday to be consistent, that's all. Let me show you what I did yesterday. 125 x times tangent of 3.5 degrees. Should I put those in parentheses, class? But what math operation would I put here?
Plus.
Plus. That was a mistake I made yesterday. And then tangent of 3.5. Degrees, thank you. Remember, I'm trying to solve for the variable y. So we're going to move this over. What I do to one side, I do both sides. So I have 125 minus x tangent 3.5 degrees equals y times tangent of 3.5 degrees. I'm going to divide both sides by tangent of 3.5. Fine, but now I see. So over here, I can cancel these, but here I cannot cancel. It is not a common factor in all of the numerator. So I currently have y equals 125 minus x. Now this x, what is x equal to? 241.38 times tangent of 3.5. Divide your answer by tangent of 3.5 degrees. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to do 125, lots of parentheses, minus, this is all of that, so I'm going to do 1,241.38 times the tangent of 3.5. Notice I have 3 open parentheses. 1, 2, 3, 3 closed parentheses. Zoom back out. Turn my brightness down. So if you have that arrow, it just means you have a lot there. So I did 125 minus, then all of that, so open parentheses, 1,241.38 times tangent of 3.5. Over here I have 3 open parentheses, 1, 2, 3, and I have 3 closed parentheses there. Is my answer 49?
No.
I'm going to have to divide my answer by 3.5, so tangent 3.5. So divide by your answer, so just press divide, and your answer will pop up there. Parentheses, tangent 3.5 degrees. And we get 802.35. Raise your hand if you got 802.35. So satisfying after a big problem like this, huh? So recommendations, draw a picture, accurate picture. I recommend separating your 2 triangles. You're going to talk to your partner which one made more sense to you, which method. Talk to your partner, ready, set, go.